found these pencil trays at Dollar Tree, and I thought they could be useful as a storage rack or a locker for my g.i. Joes. They seem to be about the right size. If I had enough of them, I could probably line them up in a row to make storage lockers. I figured I could take some paper clips and bend them into hook shapes and create little hooks to hook into the screen of these pencil trays. It doesn't take very long to create little hooks, and you could add them anywhere on this pencil tray to create little hooks to hold gear. I also found that it's a pretty good spot for weapons as well. And these little smaller white containers on the bottom fit perfectly into these. And these also come from the Dollar Tree. I think this would be a cool addition to a barracks or a bunkhouse or even an equipment storage room or an armory. I'm pretty sure you could create other little storage solutions for the items, but I thought this would be pretty cool. Well, I think that's all I have for you. It's just a quick idea, and I thought I'd share it with you. These little pencil trays work pretty good as storage lockers, so let me know what you think in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.